Wait and see.
What if I told you Daedalus v3.30.11 could change everything you know about AI automation? Let me show you.
Imagine a tireless digital coworker living on your hard drive, ready to write software around the clock without sending your code to a cloud server. In practice, open late language models often drift without guidance. They hallucinate non-existent files, trigger execution loops, and can eventually freeze your entire computer.
A raw local AI lacks spatial awareness. Without strict boundaries, it cannot navigate a complex file system and ends up tearing apart its own environment. The Daedalus CLI addresses this by housing the agent within a multi-agent ecosystem, engineered with a rigid hierarchy of systemic restraints.
Production-grade engineering requires a digital labyrinth of absolute order to contain that raw potential. The first layer of restraint is purely physical. Modern models default to massive 32,000 token context windows, which overwhelm consumer graphics cards holding just 8 gigabytes of VRAM.
This triggers a CPU fallback, grinding generation to a halt and locking the host machine. Daedalus enforces a hardware protocol, hard capping the context at 8,192 tokens. This keeps the model's workload entirely within the GPU.
Moving up to the software layer, there is a constant risk of an agent generating new features on top of a code base that's already broken. Before a Daedalus agent writes a single line of new code, the orchestrator executes a pre-flight code-based audit, running strict compiler checks to verify the project's health. If it detects pre-existing syntax or type errors, it halts the planned roadmap.
A specialized debugger agent executes task 0, repairing the foundational bugs before work begins. Local intelligence serves no purpose if it's building on a fractured structural foundation. Even with stable hardware, an autonomous agent will eventually encounter real-world errors, like trying to navigate into a directory that has been deleted.
Standard AI assistants attempt to resolve this by repeatedly issuing the exact same failing terminal command, burning through your token budget in an infinite loop. Daedalus intercepts this with a terminal circuit breaker. It tracks consecutive identical commands, and if it detects 3 executions without progress, it severs the loop.
This forces the agent to formulate an alternative strategy or halt for human intervention, preventing useless token drain. But what happens when the agent successfully navigates a highly complex, non-obvious bug? Instead of losing that context, it uses the proposed skill tool.
The AI automatically drafts a reusable playbook documenting the specific fix. You review and accept this draft to permanently inject the learned playbook into the agent's future system props. By using circuit breakers and agent-proposed skills, Daedalus converts runtime failures into a permanent upgrade for its autonomous intelligence.
Pre-flight audits, circuit breakers, and evolutionary skills form a fortress of constraints. This structure and architecture enables the autopilot command.
A developer can initiate a complex feature build and leave their machine, trusting the ecosystem to handle package nested testing and rollback repairs without supervision. The Daedalus model demonstrates that unconstrained freedom cripples an AI.
The full guide with all the code, configs, and resources is linked in the description. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.